Hey guys, it's Nicole. Welcome back to Honest Try TV. And today we're going to be unboxing a delivery from the XCJ Chinese Street Food Company. And I'm just going to cut this on open. Just use my scissors. They're a little dirty. If you happen to see some green stuff, that's cilantro. I was just outside in the garden harvesting some stuff for a recipe I was working on, and I gave them a quick rinse, but you know, you get what you get. Alright, so let's see. This was just dropped off on our front porch. The name of this company is called the XCJ. That's the abbreviation. That's not the full name of the company, but I can't speak Mandarin, Cantonese, Hong Kongese, or any version of the language, so I'm not going to try to butcher the actual name. We're just going to call it the XCJ. On top we have perforated parchment paper, and that's for my little steamer over there. You see it over there. These go in that. And what we ordered were soup dumplings. Stay open, please. Stay open. And so, see, that looks like that's ice. Here we are. Ta-da! Now you can see the name and read it for yourself. Yeah. Pork. And we should have one more in here. There we go. Oh, cold. Hurting my hand. Okay. Ooh, these are rock hard. Pork and chicken. And we should also have some seasonings. Some sauces, rather. Ooh, they're frozen hard, too. Ooh, my hands. It's cold. Okay, and that's everything. Everything else, unless they gave me some free gifts, which I don't see any free gifts happening. The rest of that is just ice. Oh my gosh, that's so cold. Alright, so let's just push this aside and look at our haul. So we have classic vinegar. Oof, my poor little hands. Umami. And chili crisp. So those are the sauces, and these are our dumplings. And again, these are soup dumplings, which are super hard to find, at least for me, where I live. So I was super excited when I found out about this company. Oh, Zaire says hi. That's my little. We're 6 months now, so he's out here in the videos too. So I was super excited when I found out about this company, because soup dumplings are not easy to come by around these parts. You can get the typical like pan fried or whatever, but yeah, I wanted soup dumplings, so yay, here we go. I appreciate that they sent me some parchment paper. Appreciate that. Thank you very much. And I hope these taste good. I will share that I had some issues with shipping. So altogether, this haul cost me, I want to say it was like either $91 or $95. And each package comes with like 50 dumplings. So a lot of food here, basically, for me anyway. For me and Jason. Plus you get the sauces. I will say I did have some difficulty with getting this, because when I first ordered it, and it came with free 2-day shipping. And so I ordered it on a Monday. And so I'm thinking, okay, I ordered it Monday. They ship it Tuesday, Wednesday at the latest. So I should have it by Friday. And the following Monday, I still didn't have anything. So I gave it one more day because I was like, okay, maybe it's supposed to be delivered on Friday/Saturday. It didn't come. I'll give it till Monday. Still nothing. So I checked my email. I had nothing. Like I had received the confirmation for the order, but no shipping information. So I emailed them and was like, what's up? Where's my stuff? I thought I'd have it by last Friday. It's now Tuesday of the following week, and it hasn't even shipped yet. And so they shipped it that day. No, I take it back. So this was Monday. So they shipped it that day, and I was like, okay, so I'm going to have it by Wednesday, and they responded back to me pretty quickly and told me you should see the shipping and blah, 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 blah. So I got 2 emails. One was a response from customer service telling me, sorry for the inconvenience, it's shipping now. And then the second was the actual shipping confirmation email with tracking and everything. So I'm like, yay, I'm going to have my dumplings by Wednesday. Tuesday, I get an email from shipping saying that my order's been canceled. And I'm like, there's money in the account, so why'd they cancel my order? So then I emailed back customer service and I'm like, what's good? And they were like, yeah, sorry for the inconvenience. We're going to try it again. And so they shipped it again. I don't know what happened, but I got a separate shipping email on Tuesday. And so here it is Thursday, and I finally got it. So I don't know what happened. I don't know why there was a delay. They never gave me a reason, but it took me almost 2 whole weeks to get this when, I had intentionally ordered up to $91 worth of stuff because I wanted the free 2-day shipping. So yeah, bear that in mind when you order from them. That was not a positive experience. A little disappointed with that, but it's all here. Almost 2 full weeks later, it's all here. Well, a week and a half later, it's all here. And like I said, I do appreciate the free gift, perforated parchment paper. So stick around. I'm going to try these with the sauces, and we'll let you know how it goes. In the meantime, I'm going to stick these in the freezer and those in the fridge, I think. So, all right, guys, this has been Nicole with Honest Try TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've tried XCJ soup dumplings or if, it's something that you're interested in or thinking about. There was also a third flavor that was seafood that I did not order because I can't eat seafood. So, yeah. I will see you guys later. Bye!